Hey there! Ever wondered why Japanese trains are considered the gold standard of rail travel worldwide? Today, I'm going to reveal the fascinating secrets behind Japan's incredible railway system. Let me start with a mind-blowing fact. The average delay of Japanese trains is just 54 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. Seconds, not minutes. In most countries, a train arriving 5 minutes late is considered on time. But in Japan, that would be a major incident requiring formal apologies. The first secret lies in their unique approach to maintenance. Japanese rail companies practice something called preventive maintenance. Instead of waiting for things to break, they replace parts before they show any signs of wear. Every night after the last train, armies of workers inspect every inch of track, every signal, and every train. It's like giving the entire system a daily health checkup. Secret number 2 is their incredible attention to precision. Train drivers undergo intensive training that would make a pilot's education look easy. They learn what they call pointing and calling, a physical and verbal safety protocol where drivers point at instruments and call out their readings. It might look silly, but it reduces mistakes by an astounding 85%. The third secret? It's all about the culture. Punctuality isn't just a goal in Japan, it's deeply woven into the social fabric. Being late is seen as disrespecting others' time. This cultural value translates into railway staff treating their work as a sacred duty to society. Fourth, there's the remarkable technology. Japanese trains use sophisticated systems that can automatically adjust speeds based on weather conditions, track curves, and passenger load. The famous bullet trains, or Shinkansen, haven't had a single fatal accident in over 50 years of operation. That's billions of passengers carried safely at speeds up to 200 miles per hour. Finally, there's the dedication to customer service. Japanese railway companies see themselves as providing more than just transportation. They're providing an experience. Stations are spotlessly clean, signs are crystal clear, and staff are incredibly helpful. Even the train design considers passenger comfort, with seats that automatically rotate at the end of the line so passengers always face forward. What's truly remarkable is how all these elements work together in perfect harmony. It's not just about having good technology or strict rules. It's about creating a system where excellence is the only acceptable standard. So next time you're frustrated with delays on your local train, just remember, somewhere in Japan, a train driver is apologizing for being 54 seconds late. That's the level of perfection we're talking about.